So today we've got some slightly bad news for the JASMY coin price, because right now the JASMY coin price has recently been rejected at this resistance trend line, and we had a failed attempt to break out of this level in the daily time frame. So that is why in this video I am really excited to discuss the recent price action, what we could expect for a JASMY coin in the next couple of hours or days, and also talk about the possible scenarios in the short term that we should pay close attention to. So you definitely would want to miss this update video I have right now for the JASMY coin price. And to start off, we will begin inside the shorter daily time frame, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer weekly time frames. But right now, as you guys can see in the charts, we've got some slightly bad news for JASMY coin, because we have failed to break out of this trend line. And if you have been following the channel, you know the importance of breaking above this trend line. I have placed a high importance on this, because if we zoom out just a bit right here, let's have a quick recap. If we zoom out for JASMY coin, you can see that there is this clear trend line which is right now acting as heavy resistance for the JASMY coin price, and it is holding the price down. As you guys can see, we have multiple rejection points at this trend line, therefore it is clearly acting as heavy resistance. And in order to flip bullish in the short term and expect higher prices, we must break above this level. But right now, recently in the recent price action, we have had this failed attempt to break out of this trend line, and we got rejected. So this in the short term is looking a little bearish, because we are clearly seeing the bears taking over at this level. So what am I expecting for JASMY coin in the short term? Well, in the next couple of hours, we could see the JASMY coin price continue to dump towards the downside until we find support at this red support zone. And then from there, I would be expecting a bounce from this level. The only time I would start to be concerned for the price is when we do see the JASMY coin price have a break below this support zone, because that would mean that we could move further towards the downside, towards the next support at around 0.013 cents. So again, at the moment, nothing concerns me. As a matter of fact, I would like to warn you guys about something, that in the next couple of weeks, we could be seeing some extreme volatility for the JASMY coin price, and it is for this particular reason. If you take a closer look right now in the charts, you can see that the price of JASMY coin is being squeezed right now between support and between resistance. You can see that we are approaching this particular level right here, where the price would be compressed very tightly between support and resistance, and at some point we're going to be seeing that massive move, that explosive booming price action, either towards the upside or towards the downside. So this is the warning I have right now, and this is something you must pay close attention to in the next couple of days. I am expecting a potential massive move in the next couple of weeks due to this particular reason, that the price of JASMY coin in the short term is being squeezed and is being compressed between support and between resistance. And again, like I've said, at some point we are going to be seeing that eventual breakout either towards the upside or towards the downside. If we do see JASMY coin break above this trend line, we could expect a pump towards the supply zone right here, and that is at around 0.024 cents, which from the price we're at right now, that would be about a 40% pump towards the upside. But if we do see JASMY coin lose support right here, lose support, which is the time I would start to be concerned. If we do see JASMY coin in case lose support right here at around 0.0163 cents, we could see a dump towards the next support level right here at 0.013 cents. And from the price we're at right now, that would be about a 30% dump towards the downside. So yeah, at the moment, just be warned that right now we are approaching this point of the price action. We're going to be squeezed between support and resistance, and therefore a big move could be imminent for JASMY coin. And this is not the time to be sleeping around on the JASMY coin price in the short term. Now let us move towards the longer weekly time frames and discuss my outlook. So my view still remains the same. I'm expecting that eventually, once the entire crypto altcoin market, or once the entire crypto market starts to cool down, I believe that in the next couple of weeks or months, we would see that price reversal towards the upside, because I believe that right now we are inside one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and that I see dips such as these as buying opportunities. I believe that these dips we are in, such as right now, won't last for long. These are just temporary, and I believe that in the next couple of weeks or months, we will eventually see that price reversal that we have all been waiting for many other altcoins as well. So look out for this next target for JASMY Coin. If we do hold this red zone as support, I'm expecting the next leg towards the upside to 0.036 cents, and then after that we have 0.071 cents, and then lastly we have 0.1 cent as our, not our final bull run target, but this is one of our bull run targets for JASMY Coin, and I will be setting new targets respectively as the bull run continues for JASMY Coin. So essentially that's a quick update. I would like to tell you guys that we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need that network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market, and that can only be accessed in my private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.